Hello, and welcome to today's DIY tutorial. I'm with JC, my podcast co-host. No personal relation whatsoever.
We do not know each other other than that. Guys, look at this hoodie Chelsea got me. Gotta go down the hoodie. For Christmas. Expectation. This is at our merch photo shoot. First reality. This is what we actually look like when we podcast.
This is a legit photo of us podcasting.
I'm tucked into bed in case you can't tell.
So today we're going to attempt to tie-dye a jacket, a zip-up jacket, and white sweats. So we're gonna try and do a pink and blue vibe. We've seen some cute pictures of it on like Pinterest and Instagram. We did our research, minimal research.
Yeah.
And we're gonna hope it looks good. So
I have faith in us, but there's so many different methods and we're not doing we're kind of making our own path.
Yeah.
That's what makes me a little nervous, but.
So stay tuned if we're gonna start a business doing this or if this is gonna be a fail. Okay, so our supplies here. We got plastic or whatever gloves, rubber gloves, whatever these are. And then we're using Rit Dye, latex, thank you. And then we're using Rit Dye. I got these blues to mix. We got a pink one. We got some plastic bags to put them in afterwards, some rubber bands, and this is our victim. And then I obviously just laid down some stuff on my backyard patio to cover it.
These are the sweats. The first step, we got them wet. That's an important detail.
Don't forget.
We got our shoe covers.
Courtesy of Nick. Thank you very much.
Courtesy of Nick Curtis.
Okay, so we're gonna mix some dye into these little squirt bottles. That word is disgusting, but I put a tiny bit of dish detergent or whatever in here.
Dish soap?
Dish soap in here because I think it makes the dyeing more level apparently. And then I think we might need to add a little bit of salt, but let's just see. Okay.
Okay, that's probably it, yeah. Oh, very dark.
Very blue. Let me try a little bit of this.
Tiny bit.
Let's see if I mix this up. If it's gonna be a little better or if it's gonna be literally navy blue. Amazing.
Then you just dilute it. It's pitch black.
Love that.
No, I think it might be good.
That ain't the vibe. Should I add more water? I don't even feel like it's like.
Here, can you put some on? I don't know, I can't see the color. I don't know what the color will truly look like. That doesn't look too bad to me.
No.
Is it not the vibe you want?
I don't know, is it too
I think that might be good, Chelsea.
Maybe. Let me try and dilute it, and if it doesn't look any different,
I'm going.
Okay, let's see here. So the crinkle one, it said literally just crinkle it.
Yeah. We were looking up
literally
different
like
methods. It's kind of the vibe I was seeing. Just crinkle her up. Do you want me to look up on my phone the picture again? See kind of what we were doing?
Yeah. I'm kind of already dying, honestly.
Because you have it on your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. This is the vibe we're going for, the crinkle. So here, Chelsea, they just literally crinkled it up and did the rubber bands.
Here we go.
We crinkled it up with the rubber bands, and here she blows. Is it too diluted? Wait, that looks like the cutest color.
Yeah, it's literally the perfect color.
Do you think it's gonna go?
Don't you put more dye in it?
It's gonna lighten up after that, right?
It'll lighten up a little bit.
So I need to put a little bit more dye.
I think a little more dye. That is the perfect color. If it turns out like that, it'll be so cute.
So
Let's see.
That's good.
Too?
I think that'll be good, Chels.
Yeah.
Do you think it needs to be a little darker?
I think it I really don't know.
Because who knows how much it's gonna fade? That's what I'm worried. Because if it's not gonna fade, perfect.
Yeah.
If it is gonna fade a lot, that might be too light. She's going in. These are paper bags that we got.
I'm like, this is an illusion. We got these out of the ocean.
Oh my gosh. We found them in the ocean.
We took these out of the island of plastic bags that's in the ocean. I think you literally just set it in and leave it for 24 hours.
Okay, so because we didn't do the whole bucket vibe, like
Yeah.
we don't have to do anything with water or whatever.
I don't think so. Because if I remember tie-dyeing my entire childhood for like every church event ever, I'm pretty sure it's what you do, right? Warm.
Chelsea,
What?
I hope we can get the same exact color for your jacket.
Oh yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Crinkling the zip up hoodie.
Oh my gosh. My gosh. Cannot get it around it. It's huge. Okay. There we go.
That's a pretty big part, yeah. That looks like water.
Yes.
I think we need a little more dye. Just a tiny bit more.
Which of which?
I think the aquamarine. Or
Aquamarine?
wait, actually,
Maybe this.
yeah,
Ooh, yeah.
maybe a little bit. Tiny,
Literally?
tiny bit.
That's choking me.
Okay, perfect. Like, let me try and. I think it's the same, Chels.
Yeah,
I think it's really similar. I think this is really thick fabric, you know, so it's
I'm
like.
just gonna space them on here so it matches.
Yeah.
Am I gonna have enough of this? Probably not. Okay, this is the jacket. This is the sweat. These are the sweats. Please learn from our mistakes and measure exactly the color you want, because who knows if these colors are gonna turn out the same. They look very similar right now, but I don't know.
I think they will. It's literally the same color as your gloves.
We will see. So putting these in their own bags. And then I'm gonna change these bags and set it up for the pink. Wow, that's heavy.
Okay, this time we have a different technique. We're making a big batch. That way we have the same color for the whole thing.
Okay, I think that's good.
Okay, JC's sweats are from Los Angeles Apparel. I got mine from Brandy. So
I
we're gonna
tried to
see.
get mine from Brandy.
They were sold out the next day. So I had to buy, well, I didn't have to buy these ones, but I got these ones. And I was telling Chelsea, they're actually like pretty nice, like good quality sweats. And I was like, I really hope I don't ruin these. I should have bought like, I was just in a panic because I was coming to Arizona and we were gonna do this. So I just bought the first ones that I could find. They were all sold out. They're a hot commodity.
And stuff.
Okay.
guys.
Those gloves on you.
They're massive. Absolutely massive.
Haney.
That is Haney. That is not gonna work. It's, maybe. What do you think? I've never.
I have no clue.
These are giving me bad vibes.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
This is looking cute. I think it's a really good color.
Yeah.
Stay tuned if these dilute at all though, we're screwed. Or lighten up.
Oh, am I supposed to do the inside?
Yeah, it's fine.
The inside's going wild.
Okay, our last item, JC's jacket. Wish us luck.
I don't know why I'm crinkling. Right.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave them in my bathtub for, we're gonna check them in like maybe 6-7 hours and then keep you updated. Update, obviously you see I'm wearing the jacket, but last night, so here's what we did. We waited for 8 hours. I put them in a plastic bag, let them in like my bathroom for, I think like 12 hours actually. And then I rinsed them out, so got all the excess dye out of them. Most of it, I don't think I did enough. But then I washed it in hot water, like just on a regular cycle, separately, obviously, the blue and pink separately. And then they kind of like ran together a little bit more and lightened up a little bit, but overall, the result is amazing. Like, literally I'm so confused. They turned out so cute. The final result. So if you guys want to follow this tutorial, try your own, let us know, tag us
to
on
my
Instagram.
TikTok.
Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome, so you can be updated every time that I post a new video. Or if you just want to give this video a thumbs up, that would be great too. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.